Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 21st of April 2024. I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the expiry on the 26th. We can see that both the max OI for CE and PE have gone down to 5,000, which is negative. The quantity is higher for PE, which is positive. The change is higher for CE, which is negative. The short squeeze is higher for PE, which is negative. PCR is still overbought, so that's negative. Implied volatility is higher. However, historical volatility is lower, so that's a negative and a positive respectively. Here, RSI divergence, ADX, and ATR are all negative. Both EMAs give positive signals. VWAP, pivot point, and candlesticks are all bearish. So overall, the support is at 5,000. Previous weeks was 5,150. Resistance is also 5,000. Previous weeks was 5,150. And however, we predict that the trend will be down for SPX this week. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.